Hello.
As a woman of almost 34, I spend a lot of time learning about skincare, and one of the greatest things I've done for my skin over the last year has been rolling. Face rollers help increase blood circulation and the lymphatic drainage, diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles, and help skincare products penetrate deeper into the dermis. I change the routine around based on how my skin looks and feels that day, but I would say essentially this is the most common one.
And we all sit around the fire. We feel a little warmer now. And we all sit around the fire. We feel so much better now.